Alright, so I just cleaned my floors yesterday, but I have some bigger debris on here from cooking dinner last night, and I'm going to go ahead and try out the Roborock. This thing is a complete game changer for cleaning in general, in my opinion. There's my two dogs who make a constant mess. And let's try this thing out.
Floor drying mode, eco mode, auto mode, max mode.
Max mode is where it's at. Okay, this thing is really close to the side of your trim.
Max mode.
That was a piece of gravel that it just completely sweeped up, no problem. I'm telling you, I have not met a piece of debris this thing does not pick up. It picks up kibble. It picks up the food scraps from last night's dinner prep. It even picked up a stick once. So I would say this thing is a 10 out of 10. Worth your money. Really, my floors have never been cleaner.
So the second roller constantly pops out as I'm using it. It has a little lock and an unlock option. So let's go ahead and put this. It's locked now. Here we go.
Auto mode.
I'll definitely be returning this. It's extremely annoying. I don't know if anybody else is having this issue. However, this second roller keeps on popping out. It's a no-go for me.
Hi, few minutes ago I just got my Roborock Dyad Pro. I was so excited that I couldn't wait to put it together. The box comes very well packed and also with instructions inside of the box and in a booklet. Here it is. It is now all set up. It took me less than 10 minutes through the whole process. Now I'm so happy to be first trying it. I thought it would be louder, but it's really nice and soft. You don't even have to do much of a work. It's self-propelled, so it goes by itself pretty much. It's very light, very gentle, and very easy to work with. I fully recommend it to anybody. I'm very happy with the new addition to my Roborock family.
Max mode. Floor dry, auto mode. Auto mode.